Hey guys, it's Derek from Walker in the Loop. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be showing you how to make your own shiplap. So here's your average shiplap board that you can buy from your Home Depot. This board already comes with that kind of primed white finish on it and it's already pretty much ready to go. But if you're buying these in bulk, it can actually be quite expensive. So stay tuned to this video and I'm going to show you how to make your own shiplap out of 1/4 inch plywood. I started by ripping down the plywood to the length I wanted. So what I'm doing here is I'm setting the blade to go half the distance here of the 1/4 inch ply so that it doesn't go all the way through. I do this by adjusting here the attachment here at the back and then setting the blade guard. Then what we do is we set it up here with the rip cut and it's stepped here to 4.5, which is the width of an average shiplap board. And then what we're going to do is, as it's only set to half the distance, we're just going to run across here lengthways and this will give us the length of our shiplap. Here, I really should have done this from the start, but you can just step down 4 each time. So we got one at 8, we got one at 12, So as you can see, I've had to change from a Craig rip cut just to a straight edge because, well, the Craig would not reach over as far. So basically what I've done is I've just measured over and I've just clamped them down just so that I've got enough space between the blade and the edge fence here. But then as well, don't forget if you're using the Craig rip cut to adjust the depth because that was sitting on a platform. So we just had to adjust the blade depth and we are good to go again. You can see that we painted this white and it has turned out fantastic. So the next job is to attach it to the refinished piece that we're using. Have this bottom piece a little bit longer as this is going to be underneath what's going to be showing, so you won't actually see this part, so I didn't bother cutting that. But this turned out fantastic.